Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will learn how to install the current Tableau version on Windows 10. Open the web browser. On Google type Tableau desktop. We will install the same version because it comes with a 14-day trial. Here it is, Tableau desktop. Click on it. Now when you will reach here, it is written start a free trial. Okay, so this is what we'll be installing. So for 14 days, Tableau is free. After that you need to pay. Click on it. Now you need to fill your details. Okay, let us fill. Okay, you can use any of your email ID. Also add your country and phone number and click download free trial. Now the download started. Here it is. 591 MB. Let's wait. The exe file downloaded. Now right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. Now the installation started. Click here. I have read and accept the terms. Now click install. Now guys, the setup installed. You need to restart the system. So let us restart. I'll click restart now. So guys, we restarted the system and you can see the desktop shortcut is visible. You can either click here or go to start and type Tableau. Here it is visible now. Click open to open it for the first time. So guys, Tableau opened. You can activate now. Use Tableau for 14 days without restriction. After that you need to pay, but we'll be directly going for the trial version. Now enter the same email ID. Click register. Registration completed. Click continue. So we are inside our Tableau. We opened it for the first time and we successfully registered it. Now if you want a completely free Tableau tutorial, refer the link in the description of this video. Guys, if you liked the video, you can directly go to our channel and support us by subscribing and joining. Click on the join button. Herein you can support us, okay, by clicking join here. And you can also go to any of our video. Okay, herein click on the three dots and click thanks. You can also directly support us here. Okay. Thank you for watching.